Okay, baby, I think this may or may not work. But I think it works now. So let's get on it. What was wrong? Missing clocks or damaged? One was damaged, one was missing. Damaged ROM, number 2. 2 bad RAMs. Sound. That's your sound chip on this thing. Those were missing. Many bad caps, all recapped. And a bad 245. That was a nightmare, because it was making, that is connected to this, and I thought this was bad. And yeah, anyway, let's fire it on. Hopefully it still works. Yes, get in. So yeah, I'd just like to say cheers, James. You could have been a dick with this one, but I think it come to the right place. I've done it well. I've got it back to life. If I change my mind, you can have it, or I'll put you on my will and testament, and you can have it that way. Well, there we go. Cheers.